Sitecore Experience Commerce comes with an example payment integration out of the box. And this integrates our software with Braintree, provided by PayPal. It's a functional PayPal integration that comes out of the box with Sitecore Experience Commerce, allowing you to take payments from day one. The integration is included as part of the software development kit that we discussed earlier. And it's also provided as open source, meaning that you can either take that source code to customize it for your specific use case, or if you want to integrate with a different payment provider, you can use that as a guide showing how we did this integration, so you can follow the same steps to integrate with your payment provider of choice. So let's take a look at that now. So I've loaded up the software development kit that we showed before, and I'm going to go into the source folder. This includes the different plugin examples that we provide with Sitecore Experience Commerce. I'm going to load up the sample Braintree plugin, and I'm going to go open it in Visual Studio. Here you can see the source code is provided as open source. You could drill into each of the different sections and see exactly where we hook into the different pipelines. As I mentioned before, you can extend all of the individual pipelines to hook in your custom functionality at the exact points you need to. So for a payment plugin, we're hooking in on the refund payments pipeline, the cancel order pipeline, the create order pipeline, all the standard processes you expect to see on a storefront. We can inject our specific payment functionality to go and interact with the external Braintree service at exactly the time we need to. All this comes together and is then implemented on the storefront. So let's take a look at how it looks there. So I've loaded up the storefront and I already have an item in my basket. So I'm going to go straight through to the checkout process. We start by entering our shipping details. I choose my shipping options, and then we go through to our billing page. Here, when we get to the credit card page, is where the payment integration comes in. This data here is all being pulled and integrated with Braintree, operating through our federated payment model. This is a sandbox environment, so I'm going to enter a test payment credit card. And then we can validate that against Braintree servers. This is going through all of the pipelines that I just showed you in the Commerce Engine. We choose the billing address, and then we enter through to the confirmation page. Finally, we can confirm the order. And there we have it. That's a completed order going through that payment integration I just showed you, authenticating those credit card details against Braintree's sandbox environments.